this part of verification code is ready. So what now? Once a user provides a proper email ID and then provides a proper password, when he clicks sign up, then it should appear, otherwise it should remain hidden. Okay, so how can we achieve this? It is very easy. First, go to new user registration.html and we want to hide verification code field. So inside style we need to mention has verification code, okay, and we need to mention display none. Okay, now save this, load this page. See, that field is gone. Okay, so what now? Once the user provides a correct email and right length password, then it should pop up. So dollar verification code, okay, include hash because we are dealing with a ID dot slide down. Slide down is a function provided by jQuery. It will slide down the field. Okay, let's see the output. Let's reload the page. Provide a proper email ID, example@example.com. now provide a password. I'm providing a random password which is greater than 7 length password. Okay, now click sign up. See, the verification code popped down. Okay, now here what we want to show a text here that we have emailed you a password to the mentioned email ID, check for the password. Okay, so how can we provide that information here? Very easy. So we need to open new user registration.html. Here where it is saying the password field is there, below it we need to mention in bold text, you are just one step away from registration, check your email, we have sent you a verification code. Okay, now save this, load the page. See, the text is appearing here. Okay, now change the color of the bold text. How can we achieve this? To change the color of bold text, color is equal to color, let's say brown. Okay, now let's save this and enter. See, the text changed to brown, but it is not appearing good, so let's change it to green. Okay, nice. Okay, so what we want this text to appear when verification code field appears. Okay, so how can we achieve that? Very easy. Let's provide a class to bold text. Okay, now class, so let's provide a class is slide down info. Okay, let's name it slide down info. Let's call this slide down field. Okay, now provide the same class to this input field. Okay, so now we can achieve same result for both fields. Okay, both elements. So copy this slide down field name. Okay, and here instead of verification code, let's mention the class name. So whenever we use class, we need to include the dot symbol at the beginning because this represents a class. Okay, now let's save this and let's load the page. So we need to hide this text element. So how can we achieve this? Now here display none. Okay, it will hide the text. See, the text is hidden. Now let's provide example@. example.com and a password. Okay, now click sign up. See, it popped down. You are just one step away from registration. Check your email. We have sent you a verification code. Okay, now this is functioning right. So what now? We need to create a script which will generate a verification code, and that code needed to email to the provided email ID. Okay, so how can we achieve this? Let's see.